There are fears hundreds of the state's most vulnerable children are at risk because of understaffing in child protection. The public sector union says there are 320 children in excess of capacity across the state, and it's calling for more funding in next week's state budget. Here's state political reporter Richard Baines.
Each one of these hearts represents a vulnerable child that Tasmania's child protection system doesn't have the resources to care for. At last count, that was more than 300.
It's a problem because every day they have to make a decision about whether they go and visit Paul or whether they remove Susie when they know that both of those things need to happen today. They're not able to give the time and the support they need to at-risk kids, and it's putting children at risk.
The public sector union says the staff shortages mean child safety officers are taking on too many cases. It wants money in next week's state budget to fix the problem.
There's 320 children who are in excess of a manageable caseload. We need to see at least 20 child safety officers to support those children and to give them the best start in life.
Giving children the best start in life was something the Education Minister was spruiking at a public school in Sorell.
Today is a great day for education because we're announcing more resource to support our school environment.
That'll come in the form of $7 million for more support staff like speech pathologists and social workers in government schools. But on child protection funding, Jeremy Rockcliffe is giving nothing away.
There are 45 additional staff in the child protection area supporting our vulnerable children than there were back in December 2013.
Earlier this year, Tasmania's Children's Commissioner made 7 recommendations for improving the stretch system. At the time, the government committed to fully funding the changes, but it's unclear when that will happen or how much that will cost. In a statement today, a government spokesman was only saying that further support will be outlined in next week's state budget. Richard Baines, ABC News.